It started before I went in the Army. I've always had a lot of cavities. It hurt a lot as a kid too. I never liked my teeth. They were always like different shades and sizes. And it was so embarrassing. Like, I could never smile a full smile in any pictures. It just looked awful. I had lots of pain. And then my dentist tried to whiten my teeth with bonding, and it ended up making them look worse. I thought like I was never gonna go out in the world again because my mouth was getting worse and worse and worse. And then I was afraid of getting dentures because I heard that it changes a lot of people's faces. And I didn't want my face to change. And I thought that was it. I thought that was how I was gonna live my life. When I found the Smile Institute, I looked at the website and looked at everything, and I said, wow, this place seems to be one of the best places I could go to. All the ladies who work here and the men who work here are just so nice and so professional, and they made me feel like part of the family, and then they took care of me. Yes, I have a lot of gratitude and happiness and thankfulness for the Smile Institute for completely changing my life. Now I'm really happy. It's like my whole life changed, and I didn't think that would be possible. I would recommend this practice. I would say you have to come in. Don't wait until you're like 40 like me.